Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to remove the fingerprint plus pin screen lock in your itel mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to setting in your itel mobile phone. Okay guys, here in settings, select security and location. Okay guys, here in security and location, okay, and device and security or device security. So okay, you can see the fingerprint. You only have to do is click fingerprint, enter your device pin to continue. And okay guys, after that, you can see the finger list, okay, and you only have to do is click or select finger 1 and okay, and you can see the delete button. So okay guys, you only have to do is click delete button and okay, the pop-up will show and confirm to delete the fingerprint info. Okay, click remove button and okay guys, successfully remove the fingerprint locks. Okay, another one is how to remove pin. Okay, you all have to do is go back and okay, in security and location, okay, you can see the screen lock. Okay, click this and okay guys, enter your device pin to continue. And okay guys, you can see the screen lock menu and okay, you only have to do is click none and the pop-up will show and okay, remove device protection. Device protection features will not work without your pin. Okay, you only have to do is click remove button. And okay guys, we have successfully removed the fingerprint plus pin screen lock in your itel S15 mobile phones. Okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.